morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. This is teacher Mini. Last session we had discussed about histogram. Today we will be discussing about line graph. Okay, from the same unit 19. Okay, we can start now. All we know that what is a line graph. So no need to explain. It is a graph with lines. We can join the points by lines. This is we call line graph. Okay, you can see one question here. It's a line graph about air temperature. The graph is there, okay, and someone is marked the points, and we have a graph. So there is 5 questions. You have to read the question and answer from the graph. What is the highest recorded temperature? Okay, you can the peak temperature it is 95. Okay, where do you see a rise of 10 Fahrenheit heat in the graph? So 10 difference. You can see here from January to February 60 to 70. Okay, again 70 to 80, that means February to April. And here March 75 to 85 May. Okay, so from January to July you can see many difference between 10, 10, 10. So you can write the answer there. So there is no place to write, that's why I avoid this question answer. Which is the coldest month? The temperature is very high, very low, it is 60, that is January. Okay, which month recorded 80? 80 is in April. Very good. What is the temperature recorded in the month of December? It's 65. Okay, so this is the way we are writing the answer from the graph, that is we call reading from the line graph. So we'll go for another question. Okay, so this is a graph about the something selling on the day, the dozens of hot dogs sold per day. We have Sunday to Monday to Sunday, you can see the graph here. Okay, so we can read some questions and write the answer. How many hot dogs were sold on Friday and Sunday? Combined Friday. Friday is 3. Sunday is 8. The total become 11. How many more hot dogs were sold on Sunday than Saturday? Okay, so this difference. Saturday is 1 and Sunday is 8. So we can write here 8 minus 1 is 7. Okay. How many hot dogs were sold on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday? Monday is 2. Then Wednesday is 7 and Thursday is 5. 2, 7, 5. The total is 14. Okay. This week, twice the number of hot dogs were sold than this week. Okay, next week. How many hot dogs were sold the following week? Okay, so that means you have to find the total number of hot dogs in this week, Monday to Saturday. So that's you will get, when you are adding, you will get the number and you have to take the double. Okay, so we got 30 is the total, and so that means 60. Were more hot dogs sold on Monday or on Thursday? Which day? Monday or Thursday? Of course it's Thursday. So we will go for the next one. You can see here double line graph. This is a comparison. You can make the comparison with the two things. Here we are discussing about the coin collection done by 2 kids. That is Harry and Chris. So you can see in the top of the box, there is a small box written there. So red line for Harry and the blue line for Chris. Okay, so we can read the questions. 5 questions are there. Then complete the answer. How many coins were collected by both Harry and Chris in 2011? Okay, so go for group 2011. You can see here 6 and 8. 14. So okay, this coin collection is written is in hundreds. Okay, so the number one 0 to 9 it is there. So not only 9 coins, 900, 100. Okay, so we have 14 hundreds. Next question, what are the absolute difference in coin collection between Harry and Chris during 2015? 2015 is Harry has 6 and Chris has 4. So what is the difference? 2. That means 200. During in which year did Harry collect more coins than Chris? Harry collect more. That means red line come where it is coming in the higher position. Which are the which are the years you can see? 2011. Okay. Then where you can see the line red come up? 2014 and 2015. Ready? Clear? Okay. And in which year of 2010 and 2011, how many coins were collected between both kids? So 10 and 11. So 10 means 4 and 8, again 6 and 8. So you will get total is 26 in between 2010 and 2011 by both kids. How many months did Chris collect more coin than Harry? Chris means the blue line. So where the blue line is going up? 2010, 2012 and the last one 2016. Okay, so this is the way you are reading from the double bar line. Okay, so you have another question. You can answer the question now here. Okay, so this is a double line. So you can follow the previous question, the same method you can follow this also. This for you to complete. You have one more question to complete by yourself reading from the line graph. This is a single line and before it is a double line. Hope you all understand this topic well. It's a line graph. Already we discussed before in the previous year. We know that line graph. Okay. So I think you understand this topic well. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye.